Hello guys, welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. And I've already solved one puzzle, the Sudoku medium, in today's newspaper of Friday, November the 10th, 2023. Um in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, and four of them I will solve in the evening. And right now I will continue with this jigsaw Sudoku. Oh, the news of the day. Well, I've showed you earlier. Yesterday we have a commemoration of the Cristall night. Well, it's very strange because also there was yesterday here in the Netherlands also a demonstration, yeah, in Utrecht, I believe, in the train station. And what happened with the Israeli in the past, it's also happening with the Palestinian people. So, well, stay strange. Okay, let me continue. Tectonic jigsaw Sudoku number 7423. Okay. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one. I think it's a 1 star or maybe 2 stars. For a 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For a 2 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Sorry, 15 to 20 minutes. Is this really a 2 stars or 1 star? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always one. Here single box I see, and there single box. Always a one. Next question. Oh, here another 3 times. 3 times a lady. Yes. Next question. Do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and a 2. Let me check. For dual boxes here, no dual boxes. I see 2 triple boxes. That's the next question. Do we have here triple boxes? Yeah, triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be a 3. So a 3 should be here, and the 2 should be there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Let me mark this. Yeah, so a triple box. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. The 1, the 2, and the 3 could be everywhere. Insufficient information right now here. Okay, next question. Do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. No quadra boxes, I see. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes here? Another one. This box has the same number as that box. It's mirrored. Yes. Okay, but it's the same figure or shape. Next shape, the L shape. Here we have an L shape mirrored. Let me draw this L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Okay, here we have another L shape but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. Oh wait, let me draw this here. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about the Z or the S construction? Here we have the S construction. Let me draw this here. Well, if you flip this or mirror this, you will get the Z. Alright, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we've only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Then. Let me see. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 4 goes there. This box can be 1. This box can be 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Is connected with that box. Should be also 1 or 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 5. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. We have 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Then. Let me see. I think. This box. Wait. 3 and 5. Okay. Yeah. I need to think. This box can be 1. This box can be 2. So 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And 1 goes there. So 1 box left in this area. For number 4 then. Alright. Is connected with that box should be also 4. This box can be 2. This box can be 3. So 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. These 3 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Well, this box should be also 4 and 5. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. So yeah, 4 and 5. So we have a pair now. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. Okay. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 1 there. If I place a 1 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here. So not the solution, place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. But also those 2 boxes can be a 4. Because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here or there, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 4 in this L-shaped area should be here. And this one is connected with that box. Should be also 4. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. And then these two boxes can be 2. These two boxes can be 3. So 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this L-shaped area should be the numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. Well, these two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be 1. So the only place left for the 1 should be here in this S construction. Is connected with that box. So 1 box left in this area for number 4. Then let me see. I think this I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1, can be 2. We have a 2 in the same area. Can be a 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4 is connected with that box. Should be also 4. 2 numbers left in this S constructions for construction for the numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. 3 and a 5. Alright, this box cannot be 2 or a 3 because we have a double 2 there, double 3 there. If I place a 2 here or a 3, I cannot fill any 2 or any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there, so 1 is left in this area. For number 5, 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1. So the only box left in this area for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 5 goes there. And these two boxes can be 3. Those two boxes can be 3. And these two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These two boxes can be 3, but also that box can be 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 3 in this cross area should be there. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this cross area should be there. Let me see, 4, 5. Then this box can be 1, that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So the 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. 4 and 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. Now, let me see. These two boxes can be 3. These two boxes can be 1. So 3 and 1 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. And it's connected with that box. So 2 and 4. Well, here we have 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Okay. Then let me see. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this triple box should be here. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Yeah. 4, 5. Well, 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. That means we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Then, let me see. These two boxes can be 1, so the 1 and that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 2 goes there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there, so 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes and there. Okay, and this box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And this box can be a 5, so the 5 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So I've eliminated the 2 here, so the 2 goes here. And we have a double 5 here. That means that this box can be 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 5 is supposed to be here, and the 4 goes here. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well. Not faster than 15 minutes, so I think it's a 2-star puzzle. 15 to 20 minutes I need for solving this puzzle. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.